In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency on UniSwap. We'll keep things simple, clear, and secure so you can follow along with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official UniSwap app at appuniswap.org. Take a moment to double check the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site. Avoiding lookalikes is key to keeping your funds safe. The page works on both desktop and mobile, but a desktop browser often makes the process easier to see and navigate. Once you're on the home page, look for the trade option. Click that to open the trading interface. This is Uniswap's hub for swapping and buying, and it's where you'll make all the key selections. If this is your first time here, don't worry, the layout is designed to guide you step by step. Next, click on Buy. This brings up Uniswap's buy flow, which routes through trusted on-ramp partners. Depending on your region, you may see different payment methods like card or bank transfer. Some providers may ask for basic verification to comply with regulations, which is normal. If you're prompted to connect a wallet so your crypto has a destination, follow the on-screen instructions and be sure you're using a wallet you control. Now enter the amount you want to purchase. You can usually switch between your local currency and crypto amounts. Before you proceed, glance at the estimated fees and the network you're using. Network fees can vary based on traffic, and picking the correct network for your wallet is essential so your tokens arrive where you expect them. If you're experimenting with a small first purchase, that's a practical way to get comfortable with the flow. Then, choose the token you want to buy. Use the search bar and verify you've selected the correct asset, ideally by confirming the token's contract from a reliable source. Many tokens have similar names, so a quick check helps you avoid lookalikes. If you're new, starting with a well-known token or a stablecoin can make tracking and managing your funds easier. When everything looks right, click Continue. You'll see a summary with the amount, token, payment method, and fees. Review carefully, confirm, and complete any remaining prompts from the provider. After you submit, processing may take a few minutes. Keep your wallet open and watch for a confirmation. Your tokens will appear once the transaction is finalized. For security, never share your wallet's recovery phrase with anyone and only approve transactions you recognize. And that's it. You've just learned how to buy cryptocurrency on Uniswap, from navigating to the site through confirming your purchase.